Hello, I'm RaIn, and today we're playing Mario Kart 64. Single player one game, Mario Grand Prix, 500cc. I'm gonna be Yoshi. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Mushroom Cup. Get these people out of my way. Of course, I run into Donkey Kong. Gotta get moving here. Gotta get these question marks. Whoa, I'm going too fast. Almost spun out there, I think. Alright, got Toad, Bowser. Gotta watch out for that banana peel. Alright, dropped it. Get around Bowser here. Oh! Drift here, drift just turn. Woo! Got a red turtle shell. Look at Toad. Oh, I took Bowser out. Oh, I get another weapon. Here we go, here we go. Got another boost for the turn. Gotta try to keep it on the road. Oh! Oh, I hit the banana peel. I'm gonna catch you again, Toad. Another banana peel. All I gotta do is get out in front of him and drop it. Get him out in front of him and drop it. Come on. Oh, I took him out. Oh yeah, I'm moving now. Moving now. Look at Bowser. Took him out. Oh look, I can bring up how fast I'm going. I'm going 80 miles an hour almost. Woo! Whoa, what is that? Yeah, let's just keep it this way. Oh, another banana. I got another banana peel drop though. No one's gonna pass me. Oh, I took Bowser out again. Keep on moving. Oh, another banana peel. Gotta avoid it. It's been a while since I played this. Oh, oh. Oh, I'm gonna hit. Oh, damn it. That's right, I forgot you can get 2 weapons at a time here. Woo! First place. Yeah, got Bowser behind me, then Toad, then Mario, Wario, Peach, Donkey Kong, and Luigi. Yeah, look at that. 15604. Yoshi gets his 9 points. Yeah. I really like the new Mario Kart 8 for the Wii U. I think it's good. I actually think it's actually a little bit better than the 64 version. Actually, still, this one definitely is really good. If you haven't played it, you need to get out and try it. It's a good game. Lightning! Woo! I'm rolling now. Got another banana peel I can drop here. Drop the banana peel. Oh, I got someone too. I'm going to throw that turtle shell. Oh! Oh, Bowser got stuck behind underneath the bridge. What? I clearly saw him wreck. That's BS. Let's keep moving, though. Yeah. Take that, Peach. Oh, she's trying to use her bananas against me. I think Bowser trying to pass me. God, Bowser catches up so fast. Get out of here, Toad. Get out of here. You're not a main character. Oh! Oh! No, no, no. Oh, give me a weapon. I thought it breaks the... Oh, I missed it. Oh, this ain't good. I get a weapon. Oh yeah, star power. Let's see you do that in Mario Kart 8. They never give you a star. Unless you're in like dead last. Ooh, and I got some boosts for the next... Woo! Get rid of them, grab another turtle shell. I gotta stay away from them moles. Ah, it's just said I need to stay away from them. Oh yeah, unlimited boost. I got second. Not as good, but still alright. Toad beat me. Got beat by a mushroom. It's a shame. He only beat me by a couple seconds too. It's all good. Yeah, he got 12. I got 15 still. Still got that lead. Still out in front. Yoshi. Alright. Mushroom Crop. Koopa Beach. Ready? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Got another banana. Ooh, took him out again. Gonna keep right on moving. Gonna keep. I'm all over the road. All over the road. Oh, I didn't get a boost. I thought. Thinking of another game where you jump and get a boost. Go for Peach. Yeah. Oh, Toad passed me. Yeah, take that. Keep right on moving. Come on. You got this. Dodge the palm trees. Get another weapon. Got a banana peel. Drop that banana peel. Oh, I wrecked. I got another banana peel. What am I doing? What in the world? Oh, I'm drowning. Okay, I'm back. Take out Luigi. I'm in 5th place somehow. Let's get moving. Come on, Yoshi. 4th place. I'm on the side there. See Yoshi's beautiful face. Mario passed me. Trying to take my damn position. Oh, wait a minute. I can take the shortcut. Oh, yeah. Through the falls. Gotta keep moving. Oh, this is me. Oh, the crabs are trying to get me. Alright, here we go. Woo! Just gotta keep going. Drop another banana. Alright, Bowser's trying to catch me. Alright, let's jump. Oh, I missed it. Oh, man, I missed. I gotta get one of these. Oh, I need one of these so bad. Oh, I didn't get one. No! Get the hell away from me, Bowser. I'm not taking that big jump. I've never been good at doing that, so I'm not doing it. Oh, I hit the palm tree! He hit one too! Oh, no, you don't, Toad. Oh, I got this. I can do this. Come on. Yeah, victory shell. Woo! Another 1st place. That's what I needed right there. Back on top. Yoshi. Oh, I got lucky there. That lucky Bowser hit that tree. Up to 24 now. Don't think there's any way I'm losing this. At least the AI isn't too strong in this one, so it's still pretty good. I think they could have been a little bit tougher. Here we go. And I spin out. Bowser pushes me up the road. Donkey Kong pushes me. Alright, let's go. Get out of here, Luigi. Here we go. Gotta get through here. Oh, right through the train. Oh, then we're going through the desert. Yeah. I totally cheated there. Oh, I'm going off the road. How did he catch up so fast? Ah, damn it, Toad. Chucking that shell at him. Took him out. Alright. I got 1st place on lock, lap 2. Oh, here we go. You're gonna start pushing me again. Take him out. Keep moving. Got this again. We got banana peels. Oh my god, look at all these banana peels. Look at that train go by just in time. Gonna hold this shell in case someone tries to throw a red shell at me. Gonna keep right on moving. Mario Star. Luigi's. Yoshi. That's the best sign right there. Chuck that shell now. Yeah, I got 3 more green shells. Got a decent little lead. Toad, of course, comes up and wrecks again. Take that banana peel off the road. Shot. Koopa Air. Alright, keep moving. Someone's coming up beside me or behind me. It's Toad again. Oh, take him out of my shell. Got a little break in there. Throw that shell back at him. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Just keep going for first. Woo! Victory boost! Going around a turn, going around another turn. Oh yeah! Vroom vroom vroom! My little go-kart. Well, that was the first cup in Mario 64. Like I said, if you haven't played it before, you should definitely give it a shot. If you ever played Diddy Kong Racing, it's very similar, but better. If you ever played Crash Team Racing, it's actually kind of similar to that too, if you're more of a Sony fan. But I still think this is better. The only thing that I wish that this thing had was maybe a little bit more of a story mode with maybe some like boss races and stuff like that, like CTR. But this was still pretty good, very fun. Here's my little victory thing here. Yeah, look at all them balloons. Look at Super Mario 64 Castle. Yeah, beat Toad and Bowser. And then there's, I think, the fish or whatever blows up. Yep, there it is. Or he like pukes it out or something. I don't know what he does. I think he just, yeah, he blows up and becomes a... No, he spits out a trophy, yeah. Okay, whatever. Congratulations! Maybe, whenever Mario decides to say it. Yeah, first place goes to Yoshi. Alright, well tune in next time. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment. See you then.